For convenience, Character's Faucet Installation Kit comes with step-by-step instructions. The included basin wrench made removing the old faucet holes a breeze. It was easy to keep our workspace clean with the included microfiber towels. Once I had the new faucet secured, I was able to use the basin wrench again to reconnect the new hose. This made the installation process quick and easy. And cleanup is no problem with the included wet wipes. Thanks, Character, for making our faucet installation a breeze.